Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandy with Sandy's Custom Creations. Today, we are going to use koala sublimation paper and we're going to make some bookmarks. We're going to do two different types of bookmarks. We're going to use a magnetic bookmark and a metal bookmark. If you're new to my channel, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like the video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you need more help, please join my Facebook group. It is Sublimation for Beginners, Tutorials, Tips, and Help. Links for all products and all my groups and other social medias will be down below in the description. Let's get started. We're going to use the koala sublimation paper again. And we have two different bookmarks that we're going to sublimate today. These are magnetic bookmarks that snap and close. We got these from Amazon. Then the traditional bookmarks. These are one-sided. Again, I got these from Amazon and I'll put the link in the description below. These do have a film on them, so you will have to remove the film. They're very easy just to peel right off. And then we have these cute little tassels that we can use to decorate the bookmarks after we're done. I size and print all of my sublimation designs from MS Word. It's very, very easy to insert a picture, unlock the ratios, and to size them exactly what I need. So this one here is from Monogram Moments. These three I found on Creative Fabrica. And this one is from one of my favorite designers, Alajoki Artistry. You can find her on Etsy, Design Bundles, Creative Fabrica, and I will link her pages down below. Our designs have finished printing. Colors look pretty great. Since this one is going to be used for the magnetic bookmarks and they are a little thicker than our metal ones, I'm going to go ahead and trim this one out and we'll be right back. Everything is trimmed, so now I'm just going to take each bookmark, use a lint-free cloth, wipe that off, and line it up over the design. This just helps to ensure that there is no dust. Now that those bookmarks are lined up, I'm going to take our heat-resistant tape and we're going to do the same thing for the magnetic bookmarks. And now we'll just get the heat press warmed up. The heat press is all heated up and ready to go. I am using my 15 by 15 Starcraft swing press. I have just plain butcher paper down. We're going to cover the metal bookmarks and we're going to press at 385 for 60 seconds. I'm using a light to medium pressure. Now these are going to be very hot, so I'm just going to pick them up and carefully move them off to the side. And we're going to get the magnetic bookmarks. Again, I have them sandwiched in between some butcher paper. And again, these are going to be very hot, so I'm just going to move them out of the way for just a few minutes. So these have cooled. I'm going to open them up. Did y'all notice? I pressed them upside down. So let's see how they look. Not bad. I think that one might have turned out a little dark. The little library nook is really cute. There we go. And the last one was the lemonade with the lemons. So overall, not too bad. Let's try and open the magnetic ones. This one we pressed correctly. Now these were more of a matte paper, but look how cute those turned out. So not too bad. These are more of a matte finish, while the bookmarks are going to be more of a glossy and have that shine. You can see the reflection of the ring light. Now we just need to pick out some tassels for the bookmarks. We've got the tassels picked out. They're very easy to adhere to the bookmark. Just pull that loop through like that and loop it around. And there you go. Again, these bookmarks can be found on Amazon, and they're a great little filler or a small gift, and they're at a reasonably low price point if you need some smaller, inexpensive items for your customers or clients as free giveaways. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Follow me on TikTok. And if you need more sublimation help, please join my group, Sublimation for Beginners, Tutorials, Tips, and Help. All links will be down below.